Hello guys, sorry this is like a short video, but like I'm gonna be making a paper dragon. I'm not gonna be using these stickers, but I just wanted to show you guys these really cute stickers. You can find them I think at like Five Below and they're really cute. But I was just wanting to show you guys. So yeah. I'm gonna make a paper dragon. So, yeah. I don't know what colors I should use, but I'm gonna use these different colors. So first what I usually do for some of them is I just bend them like this. But I'm not doing that because I don't really want to do one of those. I'm going to show you how to make one of those like mouth. So, for this you're going to need scissors and tape. You want to make sure the ends are kind of round and not just like a square or sharp pieces. You want to cut a line. You want to cut like down the middle. Then you want to bend it and then make the middle circle. So now it'll look like this. You're also going to need about 3 pieces of paper for this paper dragon that you're going to be making. You're going to do the same thing but cut in the middle. Once you've done that, then you're going to tape it onto here. Also, during this video, you can pause the video just in case you need a little bit more time making your paper dragon. This is how the top part is working, and why you need 2 layers is because so then it will cover over your fingers, and then you'll be able to like do it like it'll work better. Now it should look like this. Next, with your other piece of paper, you're gonna cut it so then it fits like right here on your dragon. So then you can like make like a face for the dragon. I won't be showing the face that I'm gonna be making on this because it's gonna be a surprise for you guys on YouTube. So make sure you watch my shorts, my newest shorts, and then you'll be able to see its face and what it looks like close up. So yeah, bye guys.